Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Slip Bobber is probably one of the most versatile fishing tools you can have in your tackle box, allowing for precise depth control and a more natural presentation of your bait, leading to more strikes and ultimately, more fish in your cooler. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing, rigging, and using slip bobbers to enhance your fishing success, no matter what species you're targeting or where you're fishing. Number 5. THKFISH Fishing Floats. These slip bobbers are designed with an empty interior and a line-friendly hole, ensuring your line slides through quickly and smoothly. They effortlessly move up and down your fishing line, allowing for precise depth adjustments. Made from cork, they are lightweight, highly visible, and very sensitive to even the slightest nibble. Their bright colors make them easy to spot, perfect for various fishing conditions and depths. Easily adjust your fishing depth by sliding the bobber stop along your line. It's simple to fish as deep or shallow as needed, giving you greater control. These bobbers slide along your line. Use a small knot to stop it from sliding up. Add a bead above the knot to keep it from sliding past. The knot should be small enough to pass through your rod guides. They're made of balsa wood and come in two sizes, 2 by 5.28 inches and 1.6 by 4.8 inches, with weights of 1 2 ounces and 1 6 ounces. The package includes 5 bobbers, ideal for catching crappie, panfish, bass, and trout. What we like. It's designed with a line-friendly hole for quick and reliable line release. The bright colors ensure easy visibility on the water. If you need to adjust your fishing depth easily, this is the perfect choice for you. You can precisely control the depth of your bait, making it ideal for various fishing scenarios and depths. What people say. Works for me. Great product and works as advertised. The hole accommodates 10 pounds mono or 30 pounds braid without issues. It may take thicker lines, but I suspect not much thicker, so be aware. The antenna design is around twice as costly as the spherical type, but worth it. The bobber is visible from 50 yards away at least and suspends a large mackerel head or tail without issue, although it does first require 14 g of weight to cock the bobber, the largest version. Number 4. SEAOWL Fishing Slip Bobber Kit. This kit has everything you need for a successful fishing trip. It includes balsa wood floats and plenty of bobber stops. With 5 different sizes, you can find the perfect float for any fishing situation. Each float is carefully designed for optimal performance. These high-quality balsa wood floats are lightweight and sensitive, providing excellent bite detection. They're incredibly versatile. Set your desired fishing depth easily using the included bobber stops. They're simple to adjust for different depths and conditions. This kit comes with 2 kinds of bobber stops, so you're all set. No need to buy extras, there are plenty for many fishing trips. The kit includes 5 balsa wood floats, 30 fishing bobber stops, and 25 fishing slip stops. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This kit offers a variety of float sizes to match different fishing conditions. It comes with everything you need, including bobber stops, eliminating the need for extra purchases. If you're looking for convenience and a complete setup, this is the one for you, saving you time and effort. What people say. They work. First open the package and one looks cracked, it's fine and still floats. Wind will drag them if they're set too high, so add a little extra weight and they'll sink lower. Easy to see photo. And durable. Easy to install. Great visibility. This was the first time used this float and worked well on water, highly recommend this. Number 3. Thill Float. Get ready to experience the thrill of fishing with America's favorite float. It's lightweight and easy to use, perfect for any angler. This float is made in the USA with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. You can trust it to perform, time after time. Its small size makes it incredibly portable. Easily fits in your tackle box and is ready to go wherever your fishing adventures take you. The design of this float is optimized for sensitivity and responsiveness. You'll feel every bite, making it easier to catch more fish. With its lightweight design and ease of use, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers. Grab yours today and experience the difference. Choose the float trusted by anglers across the nation. Experience the quality and performance that has made it a favorite for generations. What we like. It's a classic and reliable slip bobber, known for its consistent performance. Made in the USA, it represents quality and durability. If you value a trusted design and American-made quality, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Line is easy to thread through stem. Many subpar brands do not feed well, especially when using braid. This is my go-to brand for slip bobbers. A bit about what a slip bobber is for. Compared to normal bobbers, they can do the exact same job, but also can be set to let weight go in much deeper water. You thread your line through the straw that goes through the center of the bobber and put a bobber stop somewhere upwards on the line. The stops are designed to be able to be reeled onto the reel without tangling the line. When you cast the slip bobber out, the bobber starts right next to the lure, but once it hits the water it will allow the lure to sink to the desired depth. Depth can range from 1 foot to 20 to 25 feet, it's a highly recommended technique for fishing panfish like crappie. It floats, it's sensitive, and it can hold up a decent amount of weight. What more could you ask for? It's also easy to put on your line, just compress the spring and thread your line through the little plastic hook thing. Number 2. Thill Classic Float Bobbers. Experience the legendary Thill Classic Float Bobber, designed for effortless fishing. Its buoyant balsa wood body ensures optimal performance. It rides lower on the shortened float shaft, providing superior sensitivity and responsiveness. You'll feel every bite. The bright orange and red top offers exceptional visibility, even from a distance. Never miss a strike again. Choose the style that best suits your fishing needs. It's versatile enough for any situation. These bobbers are built to last and provide years of reliable performance. Get yours today. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's the ideal choice for any float fishing enthusiast. What we like. The bright colors make it highly visible, even from a distance. The buoyant balsa wood body ensures sensitivity. If you prioritize visibility and need a bobber suitable for various fishing situations, this versatile option is for you. What people say. Well made and serves the purpose as designed. Great float. Just remember to put a bead in front of it to keep stop from sliding through. Slip corking is the way to go for finding panfish in the lakes and ponds, easy to adjust up and down. Number 1. Thill Pro Series Slip Bobber Rig Kit. Get ready to experience effortless fishing with this complete kit. It has everything you need for a successful day on the water. These slip float rigs come pre-tied, saving you valuable time. Just add bait and cast. Each rig includes a Lindy swivel, a faceted ruby red bead, and a petite Indiana attractor blade for optimal performance. The unweighted rigs feature a bobber bug jig, adding an extra element of attraction to your setup. This kit includes various sized floats, split shot, bobber stops, and beads, everything you need for different fishing conditions. The kit offers a variety of float sizes, ensuring you're prepared for various depths and fishing situations. What we like. It comes with pre-tied rigs, ready to use right out of the box. The kit includes all the necessary components for immediate fishing. If you're looking for a convenient and time-saving option, this is the best choice for you, perfect for beginners or busy anglers. What people say. Setting depth is great. Being able to reel in all the way when landing a fish is a dream. The bobbers are very well made. They are the most sensitive bobber I have ever fished with. I have the confidence to always be able to detect a light bite. The bobbers are awesome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.